And so now comes the fun part. Here's where we create our purchasing list and we completely max out our credit cards. We want to get as much into debt as possible here, and we start taking our creative skills as a video creator a lot more seriously because there's no choice. We need to pay off our debt. So joking aside here, what we actually want to be doing is create a bullet point list of the equipment that we need to buy on the production side and make a separate list for any of the design and aesthetic purchases that you need to make. And so with an ideal budget and amount that you want to spend, you gather your list and then go online and find those items you're looking for. Keep track of the price of those items, and you're gonna add all those up before you purchase because you wanna make sure you're gonna be in your budget here. So here is my list of purchases, and like I mentioned, there's a lot of items that you're gonna find online where you have the brand name version of that product at, let's say, $500 or $1,000 for that item. And then you have secondary brands that create a slightly cheaper but also functioning version of that item that's maybe $200. So be sure to do your research, read the reviews, and really take a little bit of extra time to find the brand that is gonna match up with the budget that you're working with. So I'll link all of the items that I purchased with the more expensive option that I went for and the more reasonably priced option that you can go for but still has good feedback and reviews, and I trust recommending the items to you. And so boom, we've done our research, we've maxed out our credit cards, and now it is time for what I call the Christmas phase.